Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the WordPress website using null theme. Okay, I have made this website using Elementor. So here it's a very professional website. We will be able to do it. Okay, this is very simple website. Okay, I will design this website within uh, 20 minutes. Okay, very simple. So how to do this system website step by step, I will be explaining. Okay, here this goes to the relevant pages and everything is there. Okay, you will be able to design this website simply. Okay, so how to do that task? Simple. Okay, let's go to the lessons. So what I'm going to do is here first go to the, this is my subdomain. So here go here what Tamil google.com.wp okay, click on this and I will go to the my dashboard. Okay, dashboard. So dashboard, first we have a go to the pages, all pages. This is my, there are many pages are there. Now I am going to create a new page and do the website. Okay, so here this is service page. Okay, I'll do it. So I'm going to do the create another page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another page which is a sample. This sample page I have created and explained. Okay, home page already created, that's why I don't need to create. So sample. Okay, if it is a home pages are there, you will be able to create. Okay, in your website. Okay, sample. Click publish. Then only your page has been published. Okay, it's published. If you go right click and open a new tab, here this is the sample page without any content. Here this is the sample page. There are no contents are there. So if it is a go here, now what I am going to do is here go and edit with Elementor. Click on this plugin. This is a plugin, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, now this is a it's linked to the website here, Elementor. Okay, so first what I am going to do here is I am going to go to my dashboard, WordPress dashboard. I am going to dashboard. First I am going to teach how to install the plugins. So go to the plugins area. This is plugins. Click on this one. So here I am going to click plugins, add new plugin. Here I want to install some plugins. This is very important stuff. First I need Elementor. So Elementor. Here it's Elementor plugin. Elementor. Okay. Okay. So Elementor plugin. You must install this plugin in order to customize your website. I already installed in my machine so that it will be button disabled and here it activated. Okay. So it will be activated. So if you are installing your first time, the button should show here as install. You just click on this button and install your plugin in your machine. Okay, right. This is the first plugin you must install it in order to design the website. Okay, so then here another plugin you have to install it. After install the Elementor plugin, you have to install the Elementor kit. This plugin we have used to create the menus. Elementor kit. This is the plugin. This also I already installed it and here activated. Okay. So Elementor kit, this is the icon you must remember about that. This is the icon. Okay, there are many plugins are there here. Elementor, this all not, you don't install it. You have to install this one, Elementor kit. This both you must install in your machine. Okay, this is a free version. I have installed it. So if you want, you can buy it. Elementor. You go to the dashboard and you will be able to buy. Here, this plans are there. You will be able to buy the Elementor Pro. You will be have a many options. Okay, you will be have many option if you are buy that one. Okay, this is a free one. I will be doing design the website. Okay, don't worry about that. Let's begin. Okay, now let's go to the my page. It's a blank page. First what I am going to do is I am going to design this one. So how to do the task is very simple. After install the plugin, okay, you go to the select the page. After install your plugin, if you go to the page, here let's go to the pages area or pages. This is a page I have created a sample. Here the Elementors are there. Edit with Elementor. Click on this one. Edit with Elementor. You will be edit the page using Elementor tool. So that you have to click, you have to select the Elementor. Now here first you have to design this one. This contact information, very simple. So here you will be able to, here click on this one. I need this one. This is the columns. How many columns you need? I need only one column here. Okay. So the first what I am going to do is one column. This is the tools. Click on this one. There are many elements are there. Okay. So I need here is remember this icons, all the stuff. Icon list. Select this one and drag and here. It's there. Now first one I click on this one. Here this one should be the icon. This is the list. Let's name it a list. This is a text. Text I am going to change this one, this text. So what I am doing, I just copy this text. And also it copy. I paste it here. Instead of writing, it take too much of time to complete. So I have to do it. I just copy it. I paste it here. You have to write it. Okay. Paste it, it's coming here like this. Okay. You can write like this. Okay. This is coming. Okay. I just copy and paste it. Right. So icon I'm going to change it as which is a email. So it's very simple. Icon here. Just type email. Emails box there. Click on this one. Insert it. It's coming here. Right. Now I no need to this one. This order. I need this order. Okay. So what I am going to do is here. Very simple. Here this one layout default is like this. You have to click on inline. It's coming like this. I need 2 items only. So I am going to go to delete the another. This is 3 are there. Delete them. Right. This one I am going to change it as a phone number. So this same phone number I just copy and paste over here. So where you have to paste it? Not here. You just here. This is the box where you have to paste it. Box. You click on this one. Here you have to text. You have to paste it. The text should be there. Icon. You have to change it as it's a phone number. Click on this icon library here. You have to just search it phone. Click on this phone and here you have to have it the phone number. Okay, perfect. Okay. So here, imagine your phone numbers are there, emails are there. Email you have if you click on this link, it will be redirect to any other pages or email, Outlook or something else. Here there are the links, another options links. You will provide the link. Okay, when you are moving the cursor and click on this one, it's redirect to another page. It is simple. Okay, it's very simple. It's the efficient way to done this. Okay, very simple. After done the stuff, we have to update and see the page, how the page look like. So here the page look like. So here's our dashboard. What's dashboard? You go to dashboard. You open it, then only we'll be able to see dashboard. Pages, all pages. Edit page if you want to change. This is Elementor. So here, where's our service? This is service page. View. Sorry, it's not service, sample. View. Right click and view. Okay, I've opened this page. Here it's working perfectly well. This is sample page here. It's nothing there. Only you have to do these things. If it is, if you want to change the color, you will be able to color change all the stuff. Okay, it goes to the click on this one. You go to the style. You will be able to change the colors and everything. Okay, text, color. You will be able to change the color like this. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, here typography. You will be able to change the font family and everything. You will be able to change. Size, if you want to increase the size, you will be able to increase. Width, weight, you will be able to increase the weight and everything is out there. Normal, this all the stuff are there. Okay, font family will be able to select whatever font family. Arial here is Arial look. Okay, whatever you need. You have to do it of Poppins. It's a best font. Yes, perfect. Poppins. Perfect. This time we have to do it. Okay. Now let's update and check. Perfect. It's perfect. This website will look perfect. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to do the rest of the stuff. Okay. So this one. This is I have done this get the help of Elementor kit. So how to do the task is click on this, go here, the Elementor, sorry, click on this one. First I have to select the layout. This is the first, this layout. I needed this. We don't need the columns, only this. Okay, so here, go here, select Elementor, this one, kit name. Drag and drop over here. Okay, it asks to select the menu. How to create the menu, I think you already know about that. I'll be explaining it, don't worry about that. Let's go here. It's a menu creation. Appearance, the heading of appearance, under the heading of appearance, here is a menu. If you select this one, it's got the menus area. Menu area, there are many versions are there. Now I am going to go to create a menu. Okay, so what I am going to do is here, I am going to create a new menu. So I am going to create any name. I am going to give the new name. Okay, so you will be able to, you can learn it. Okay, if I select this one, click create a new menu. I just name it as update menu, a new menu. You can give any name. Okay, create menu. Click on this button. Your menu has been created successfully. Here, this one, if it is not selected, you just select which menu you need. Click on this one, update menu. Select this one. Selected. Now it will be selected. You will be here selected. Now update menu. Here is a blank. So what are the things you need to add? So I need here only home page. What are the pages you need? You will be able to add it. Okay, here I need. Here you can bring them. Home page, about us, contact us. These are the page I need. You can select them, add to a menu. It will add it. It's added. So drag and drop. Drag. You have to arrange it. Okay, perfect. Okay. Save the menu. It save it. Now go to the switch back to our Elementor. Here, click on this one. Here, select this one. Here, the update, this one is not there because I have to refresh it. Then only it will be applied. So here, okay, we'll update once updated and refresh it. It's not coming here. My menu, what is the menu I have created? It's update. Update menu I have created. Okay, I have a new name, update. So this is the matter. Here if I select this one, here update menus are there. Click on this one. What are the menu you have created? It will be added here. It's coming here. Again, this is not a good look. I have to make the look. Okay, so select this one. Go to make the setting. Go to the style. Menu height. I want to reduce it. Right. If you want to change the colors, you will be able to change the color you need. Okay, so I want to change the color. So here this is the color, menu, wrapping, background, all the types are there. Background color, secondary color, all the sums are there. You will be able to make a color. You can set the padding, menu styles, background type, background color. You will be able to change the background color here. Okay, so if you want to change background color, so I need to background color I default I have set it as white. Okay, later on I will change it. So here select this one, you will be able, here background color you will be able to change. Here the background color, here the background type, okay, not gradient, classic. Okay, the gradient if you are selected, it will be go here. Now it's coming like this. Whatever color you need to you can give. If background is dead, it won't change the text here. How to change the text color? If you have to change this one, your text color also you have to change. Okay, your text color, there will be the option for text content. Your text color, there's they are. Okay, we'll be able to change. Okay, so I'll this one classic. This color I have to bring them as white. Okay, now this is how we have changed the things. Okay, select this one. Perfect. Now I am going to this one. I have to make it as a at the center. So how to do the center? Very simple. Select this one. Content. So left, horizontal menu left. Make it as center. It goes to center over here. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, now let's update and check how the menu would like. Perfect. Here it's perfect. Let's click on this one. It goes to the about us page. Here it goes to about us page. I am not design anything else about us page. Contact us page. It goes to the contact us page. It's working perfectly well. Okay. I never designed this one. I just add the page only. Okay. Perfect. Now what I am going to see, I am going to create the image over here. Okay. So how to do the images? Okay. So here click on this one. If you can add the slideshow as well, but if you buy the pro version only, you will be able to add this Elementor. Okay. Otherwise you can add the images. Okay. So click on this one, add the new section. I'm going to add the new section. Click on this one. Here I'm going to drag the image. So how to drag the image? Go here, click on this one. This is the main section. This is, if you click on this one, it's got the element. So here image, the image. So image, drag and drop. Here click on this choose image. If you want to browse from the internet, browse from your computer, select and browse it. So I have already uploaded. Okay, you have to upload it first. After that, I'm going to select this one. Click on this one. Here it is coming here. Perfect. This image. Perfect. This image is there. Perfect. Okay, it's fit on the screen. Update it and check whether it's working fine or not. It's working perfectly fine. This simple website you will be able to design yourself. Whatever your menu you added, you will be able to add it. If you want to increase the size of this menu, you will be able to increase it. Very simple. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to add another section. This one. Okay, so I need 2 columns. So out at these 2 columns, click on this add menu section. This one, 2 columns. So bring them as a 2. Here also I have to put it 2 columns. I have to separate them as 2 columns. Here this 2 columns I have separated. So how to do this is very simple. Go click on this one. Inline section you have to drag and drop here over here. Here 2 columns are there. First column what I am going to do is here you have to add the second column, you have to logo. First column what I am going to do is here you have to add something else. So what I did here is go here. We have to add it as a header tag. Click on this header. You will be able to add the header as well. Header you have to style, you have to make it as H4 as well. So perfect. You have to bring and copy and paste it. Welcome to tours. You can type it over here. Okay, I just copy and paste it. Okay, if I am going to type, okay, it's coming perfect. You update and check it whether it's working according to your expert. Okay, you update and check it, then only you will be able to check it. Okay, right. Now if you want to get them is a second line, so how to do the task is put it here as a break tag. Okay, so break tag it will come here. So HTML, normally HTML I hope you already studied the basic HTML. Okay, before you have to learn WordPress, the basic HTML you must learn it. Then only you will, if you get stuck with somewhere else, you know the codes, how to fix and solve the problem. Okay, if you don't know the HTML, very difficult stuff. HTML is a basic website creation. Okay, so okay, now I have to do this logo. How to do the logo? Click on here, drag the image over here, click on the choose image, click on this one to create the logo, and you have to click it. That's it. Simple. If you click button, it's there. Perfect. Now here there are just too much spaces in between these 2 texts. I have to reduce them. It's no problem. Here you can see here, check here, like this. You can check here like this. Okay, you can check welcome to tours. Okay, you can adjust the text. Okay, here you click on this one, padding, adjust the things, width and height, all the stuff you have to width. Increase size width like this. Then only you will be able to set here. Welcome to work. Here also the letter size also, here also you have to increase. Select this one with bold. You have to increase the size little bit. HT3, H2. H2 you have to put like this. Now you can check it here. You just take the time and do it. Okay, I do it in rush and do it. Okay, you have to take the time and do it. You will be able to do it. Simple. Okay. H3 is enough. Okay, perfect. H3 is enough. H2 is it's look big, so big. Okay, so here it's enough. Okay, perfect. Right. Now what I have to do it in other sections. We have added the another sections. So I have to do it this one. So this one. Okay, certification and that. Okay, so here I just copy this one. What I did here is go here. I have to another section. So here I just go to here in a section. You have to drag it over here in a section. You drag and drop over here. I don't need this column. I right click and delete. Select this one. This is a paragraph. Okay, paragraph P, paragraph. This one, text editor. Sorry, you have to paste it over. Right, certification appearance. Right, perfect. After that, I am going to go here, drag another section. Right click and delete the one thing. Here I also got a paragraph. Here drag one paragraph. So here I just this dummy text I just copy and paste it. Copy. Here. Whatever you type, you have to type here. Okay, I just copy and paste it here. You can get it over here. Okay, right. That's perfect. You can check it. Just if you want to change the color and everything, go to the style. Text color, you have to change it. This is how you have to change the text color. Very simple. Okay, very simple. Here you will be able to change it over here. Now you update and check. Okay, this there are too much spaces between there. Here you have to get space. Here, now it's okay. That's it. Now let's update and check. Now okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Now it's perfect. Now what I am going to do here is I have to do these things. Okay, so here go to this area. I am going to separate two columns. So click on this one, drag inline section 2. Okay, first what I am going to say, drag one image box over here. Sorry, not here. Here in this column. So drag and drop over here. Here I am going to bring them one image. So I did this one. Click on this one and drag it here. Okay, one image. Okay, one image. Okay. Enough. Okay, now here I am going to do it here, drag and drop the this one text. Okay, this image I just go to here, this one, I think this one, sorry, not this one. Okay, it's perfect. Not that, this one. Okay, perfect. Right, now here I am going to do the another text here. This text is you have to this one text editor, you drag and drop. Here I am going to do it here, some dummy text. Here also I added some dummy text. You can type it. I just add the dummy text as well. Okay, select this one. Don't paste here. Here you have a paragraph part here. Paste it here. Paste it. Okay. Now if you have done one thing, you have the same thing. You have to do it line by line. You don't have to again drag and drop. Okay, simply you have to copy this one here, click on this one, right click, duplicate, it's duplicated, right click, simple option, duplicate, it's duplicated 3 times. Okay, it duplicated 3 times. If you want to change the image, you click on this one, you'll be able to change. Choose this time. If you have added the Facebook preview, you just go here and have it the Facebook preview. That's it, the simple stuff you have to do it, simple stuff, that's it, very simple. Any other image you have to change it, you have to click and change it, very simple. This is very simple, you have to do the website. Okay, perfect. You have to update and check it whether it's working fine or not. It's working fine, perfectly well, it's working perfectly well. This is how you have to do the website step by step. Okay, very simple, you have to do it professionally. The one page website is very simple. Okay, you can work on the Freelancer. This is very helpful to you to learn Elementor, how to work with the Elementor. Okay, you have to arrange the space and everything using the margin and everything. I'll teach it. Okay, so after that, this section, okay, this section, how to do this section, very simple. This also very simple. Go to here, click on the here one. Here I have to drag the paragraph tag. So paragraph, not text editor, drag it and drop. Here I have to select this offer, this offers, and select this one, select this one. You have to put it as a paragraph. The paragraph, you have to put it as a paragraph. That's it, the paragraph, you have to put it as a paragraph like this. Okay, perfect. Here we have to change the color, text color, you have to change it. Perfect, it's changing the text color as well. Perfect. Okay, after that, what I am going to do is, here we have to do the another thing is this one. We have to add these images and everything. So how to do the task is, go here, click on this one, 3, select 3 because we have a 3 columns, so we have to add it as a 3. So here we have to drag one, go here, image, drag and first we have to do the task is without image. Okay, we have to do it here as, we have to, so here we have to do it here. First we have to do the images, drag an image. Okay, image. First what I am going to do is, here we have to add the image first. Choose this image. After that, what I am going to do is, we have to inline. Below the image, we have to add the inline. I need 1, no need 2. Inline, we have to add the text. So the text editor, you have to drag and drop it here. Text editor, I have to use it, this one, the simple text, I have to use it. Copy it, paste it below. Here, paste it over here. It's coming here. I have to alignment as a center. So how to alignment as a center, you will be able to do it. Style, align center. That's it. If you want to change the color, if you want to font, if you want to increase the font and all, go to the typography. You have to do the task. You have to achieve the task here. You have to adjust the task, typography. You have to pay it with bold and everything. You have to do it. Okay, perfect. After that, what I am going to, I need a one button. So I am going to go here. You have to type button. Drag and drop the button over here. So buttons are there. Here's coming a button. So if you want to, okay, here you have to add the button booking. Press enter key. Now I can't see the text and all. So text, set text. Okay. So here the another stuff, style, text color. I am going to change it as a this color, red. these colors are there. Here you can set the color, and this color is changed successfully here. It's there. So after that, that's the only thing you have to do it. So after that, what I'm going to do is aligned. I have set as a right center. It's coming here center. That's a very simple stuff I have did it here. Okay, very simple. Okay, you can do it very simple, but update and check how the side look like. Very simple here. The side is very efficient, very simply. So the same thing you have to copy and paste it. Okay, so just select this one, copy, or you just copy, paste, control right click and paste it. It's coming here. Sorry, not here like this. You just I need all the stuff. Entire thing I just copy. Click on this one. Just click on this one, copy or duplicate. The duplicate coming. Okay, it's duplicate, very simple. Again you have to right click and duplicate. This one you have to right click and delete them. Rather than copying, the duplicate is very simple. It's coming here. Now you have to change whatever image you have to upload. Click on this one. You have to choose another image. You have to upload it. Click on this text. Whatever text you have to write in here, you can do it here. Here the booking the same. Here also click on this one. You will be able to change the image. Click on this one. You will be able to change the text what you need. Okay. This how we have to design the site very perfectly and professionally. Okay. Here you will be adjust it using the margin, padding, you have to give and you have to adjust the spacing and reduce the space and all. Okay. White you don't give the too much white spaces around the text and all. Okay, it is not a efficient way to do the website. Okay, so right now so far we have completed the website. We have one more thing we have to done. Okay, so this is the final area. Okay, so this is the contact details, the one page website. This is enough. So this is the context information. So how to add this one? Now you have already idea. Select this one. How many columns we need? 3. There are 3. Go here. Here you have to do it as an icon box. Select this one. Drag and drop. Select the icon. Library. First one is a phone number. Phone. Click on this one. Insert it. Here default view is a default. This one, you select this one, is perfectly well. Here it's perfectly well. The text I want to change this one as a phone number. I am going to give the phone number. I just the sample number here. Just copy this one. I put it over here. Paste it. It's coming here. I need this text. If you need, you will be able to type something else. I don't need them. I leave it as blank. This one. That's it. The same thing I do here as well. The same thing I just copy. Duplicate, remove these columns, right click, delete, right click, delete, select this one, change the icon as, this one should be the email, open this email so there, example at gmail.com. That's it. Emails done it well. After that, here this one should be the another stuff which is a address. So address also, here you go here, type address. So do the task is here. Go click on this one, change it as address. You type here address. Click one of the out of this. Okay, click on this address. Here you have to change the address, sample address. I just select 20 B C Street. Chennai. You will be able to change the text font family as well. It is perfectly well. Okay, so you do simply. Okay, this is simple stuff I did. Okay, in order to complete the website, you have to update it. Okay, now you will be go to the sample and check it what your site look like. Here it's a very simple site. Okay, perfect. Here you will be able to do the simple site here. Here you have to, it's very simple. If you want to increase the size of the text, you will be able to increase it. Go to the section of style, you will be able to increase it. Okay, Don't worry about this, you will be able to do it. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, here you have to reduce spaces using this one. Go to the advanced and margin. You have to set the margin here. Then only you will be reduce the size and all. Select this one. Go to the advanced tab, the margin and all. We have to set the margin like this. The margin here. You reduce the margin and all. Okay, this one also you have to reduce the margin. You can reduce the size here. This goes reduce the size like this. Okay, so perfect. You have to update and check. Here reduce the size. Okay, that's how you have to do the stuff. Okay, you have to do the stuff like this. Here also the same thing you have to do. If you want to fill this one also the little bit spaces, you have to do it like this around the text. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you let me know that. I have get in touch with another beautiful website using WordPress website using Elementor.